Hi everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about inspiring bright living room designs ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. There's nothing like a bright and cheerful living room to lift your mood and energize your space. With the right design elements, you can create a room that is full of light, color, and positivity. Here are some inspiring ideas for designing a bright living room that will let the sunshine in. Use light colors. Start by choosing a light color palette for your walls, flooring, and furniture. White, beige, and pastel shades work well for creating a bright and airy feel in the room. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows unobstructed and using sheer or light-colored window treatments. Consider adding a skylight or a large picture window to increase the amount of natural light that enters the room. Add mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Hang a large mirror on one of the walls or consider using mirrored furniture to brighten up the room. Incorporate bold accents. Add pops of color to your living room with bold accents such as throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. Choose bright shades of yellow, orange, or green to create a playful and cheerful atmosphere. Use lighting strategically. In addition to natural light, use artificial lighting to enhance the brightness of your living room. Consider adding a statement pendant light or installing recessed lighting to highlight key areas of the room. Keep it simple. To maintain a bright and airy feel, avoid clutter and keep your furniture and decor simple. Consider using minimalist designs and open shelving to keep the room feeling spacious. With these tips, you can create a living room that is full of light, energy, and positivity. Let the sunshine in and enjoy a bright and cheerful space that will lift your spirits every day. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a bright living room designs ideas. Thank you.